Hi, it's Jessica from Chambray Blues. Today I'm going to show you how to use a quilting foot. This is a free motion quilting foot. They're very inexpensive. They're about $2, $3 on Amazon, and it's really easy to use. So what you need to do is remove your regular presser foot from your machine, and also remove the collar that it attaches to, and then the free motion foot slides right in here and gets secured with this screw. Like that. And then this is what we're going to do. So I'm making a pot holder from a quilt square that I had left over in my scraps from my last project. And the way I'm quilting it is just with this easy free motion method. So you're just going to put the pieces underneath. You're going to hold on to this top thread as you put the needle down into the fabric, just so that it stays in place. Make sure your stitch length is set to 0 on your machine, and then you're going to start quilting. Put your presser foot down first. So the great thing about it is that you can easily change directions without having to move the fabric and twist the fabric different directions. So here I'm just following along the outside edge of my piece. I'm going to come back to where I started and go over my first seam with a couple of stitches so that it holds it in place. And then I'm going to cut the stitches and start again. Now this next section in the white areas, I've just been doing sort of a random squiggly design. So I'll show you how that works. Again, put your presser foot down. It's best if you start with your needle down in the fabric. And then just pull your fabric to the left or to the right to make the design that you want. Just coming back to my starting point and go over the first stitch with a couple stitches to secure it. You can pull those threads to the back if you would rather do that. So that's what it looks like. Let's do it one more time. So here I'm just lining up my sewing with the outside of this piece. Generally this kind of foot doesn't work real well with straight stitching, but I'm doing it anyway because I don't want to switch back and forth between two different feet. It's hard to keep it perfectly straight with this foot on. This is just a pot holder project, so I'm not really worried about tidiness. Okay, there we go. We're going to cut the threads and move on to the last section. Where'd it go? I guess that's it. So that's my whole pot holder. I've got 4 white sections with the squiggly design and 4 with just the random straight stitching. You can see on the back I've used different fabric on the back. It's a great way to use up scraps. And the next thing I'll do is bind the sides, and I'll do that in another video. Thanks, you have a great day.